Everybody, how are you today? Doing a ADA Cardano update here. We are currently up 2.94% for the day at 0.3479 cents. And the crypto market, for the most part, is green today. This is ADA on the daily chart. You can see this down sloping resistance that we've not hit here. We hit here, and we're coming up. It looks like we're heading up there again to test that and see if we're going to break out of it. We'll dig into it a little bit deeper here in a second. I got a couple of pretty neat articles to show you here. The first one is Cardano VeChain. Which one will hit $1 first? And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Going to do that 100 ADA Cardano giveaway here the last day of the month. So all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. Gonna do a giveaway at the end of every month, the last day of the month, and just a thank you to you guys. You've got a great group in here. I love all you guys. Subscribers been fantastic, so I'm happy to be a part of it. So please hit that subscribe button. But let's go down through here. VeChain and Cardano are two popular crypto projects aiming for the $1 mark. However, both projects are still a long way from their respective goals. Cardano has fallen 89% from its all-time high of 309, which it attained in August of 21, 3 years ago. On the other hand, VeChain is down 91% from its all-time high of 0.28 cents, attained in April of 2021, almost 2 years ago. Now, these sound like big numbers, and they are. 89% down and 91% down. Doesn't mean these companies are failing at all. Typical bear market. Last bear market, most altcoins were down 95, 96, 97% for some of them. So this is perfectly normal numbers. This does not mean that these companies are failing. Far from it. Cardano and VeChain are solid. You know, I've been following both these projects for 4 years now, and typical. This is just normal decline in a bear market. So goes on to read down here. At press time, ADA was trading at 32 cents and VeChain was trading at 0.022 cents. And it goes down at the bottom here. It says, let's get to the very end of it. Going by the data, it is likely that Cardano will reach the $1 mark ahead of VeChain. However, there is also the possibility of VET's initiatives kicking off and bringing in massive gains for the project. How their plans unfold, we will have to wait and see. Yeah, Cardano is already at 30-some cents. That's like a 15x for VeChain from where it's at. So I could see Cardano hitting $1. You know, obviously it's at a all-time high of $3 so far. VeChain, you know, I believe we're in a bull leg of the market right now. Not a bull market, not a bull run. But I think the next bull run, I totally believe VeChain will hit that $1 mark. You know, I thought it was going to do it last time. Got up 28 cents, but I was looking for higher prices. And Cardano, you know, hit that $3 mark. Who knows where it'll go next? It could be heading up to $10. It's you know, we'll have to wait and see. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index for the whole crypto market, the market cap is at $1,225 billion, up 2.26%. Volume over 24 hours is down 7.72%. Volume yesterday was up 70-some%. So don't know if a lot of buyers came in or what was going on. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.69%. The market sentiment is at 63, and that is greed. Your biggest gainers and losers, you can see Conflux is up 15%. Your biggest losers are pretty much single digits. Your trending coins are on the left, FTX, Bitcoin. And if you're watching this video and you wonder why I include Bitcoin in a lot of these videos, Bitcoin leads this market. It brings the money in, and then the money trickles down to the altcoins. So that's why I cover Bitcoin. Bitcoin has the biggest share of the market right now. Bitcoin was the very first cryptocurrency, and that is what brings the buyers in. When Bitcoin's price is flying, that's when the big boys come in, and then they you know, then they start looking around the market. Oh, what's VeChain? What's this? What's that? What's Cardano? And they start investing in these projects. You know, that's what we want. So always root for Bitcoin. You want a good, healthy, strong crypto market. A strong market needs a strong Bitcoin. So let's get into ADA here, and real quick I'll just show you Bitcoin set a new higher high on the daily today, right up here. We put these price targets in for Bitcoin before this probably somewhere down in here. We put these price targets in, and it's hit them. It's setting a new high on the daily chart right there, and a higher low. So good to see. That's what we want to see. That, like I said, that trickles down through the whole market. ADA on the daily. We're going to get in on the 4-hour. I'd like to see it get up here and get out of this resistance here. We have a trend line forming down here. It looks like might be heading up to a pinch point here. You know, if this thing continues on this trend up here. This is on the 4-hour. You can see after the breakout of this sloping resistance, we had this run up to the almost 37 cents. Came back down. We made that other run up. We could consolidate along this line, and let me see where that lines up with the Fibonacci and see if that makes sense, because if we break out of that resistance, I believe we have a pretty decent move coming. Yeah, and that's not how this stuff just falls in line. You know, put the fib there from the top to the bottom. You can see if it rode this trend line, that 702 fib, everything would be coming to a point right here. You know, you got that down sloping resistance, up sloping support, and if we get that breakout out of here, boy, you can see a really nice move out of this thing. Right now, we're between a 50% and a 618. We came up and touched that 702, got rejected twice. So to get out of here and to put higher price targets, we need to break out of that 786 and get up in this zone. Then we can start putting targets up here, but we got to break out of this down sloping resistance here. So it looks like everything might come to a head in here. And the markets usually move pretty decent on Sunday nights, so I'm going to keep an eye on this rest of the night. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. Would love to have you here every day, and thank you so very, very much for taking your time to watch my video. I very much appreciate that.